Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Gayan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make almond cream. We need icing sugar, 250 grams. Butter, 250 grams. Eggs, 150 grams. Almond powder, 250 grams. Vanilla essence, 20 grams. First place the icing sugar and softened butter into the stand mixer and work the two ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes until pale. Then the eggs, one by one. Add the almond powder and beat for a few minutes. Add the vanilla or almond essence. Cream should be like this texture. Keep it in the fridge for a while. This cream should be used as a filling for fruit tart, almond cake, almond croissant, like that. Some more desserts. If you took something from this video, please like, comments, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet soon with next video.